Whether you move international boxes, domestic containers, or both, Gunderson Greenbrier builds the right rail car for your intermodal traffic. Gunderson's MaxiStack 1 is the ideal double-stack car for operations with a high concentration of international containers. Our MaxiStack 3 is great for terminals that run the gamut of container sizes. Both of these premier cars are engineered to keep your boxes on track with extra carrying capacity, longer car life, and an optimum balance between minimum tare weight and maximum strength. When it comes to workmanship and materials, our standard of excellence is the highest in North America. Gunderson Greenbrier cars are in it for the long haul. And so is Gunderson. The Greenbrier family of companies specializes in transportation equipment and marketing. All of our marketing people came out of the intermodal industry, so you always deal with knowledgeable experts. As part of the Greenbrier Group, Gunderson custom designs, engineers, and builds almost every type of railroad freight car. We've been in heavy steel fabrication since 1919, so we've got 3/4 of a century of experience behind our products and a great track record in the industry. Throughout the 80s, Gunderson produced a series of top-quality stack cars. But times have changed. And as the requirements of double stack operation have become more clearly defined, we've developed new cars to fit your service needs. MaxiStack 1 is a high-capacity stack car with 20-foot container capability in all wells. This makes it perfect for moving 20 and 40-foot boxes. Maxi 1 also gives you the option of carrying international or domestic containers on top in 40, 45, or 48-foot lengths. If over half your containers are international boxes, Maxi 1 could be the best car for your line. It's built for heavy payloads, up to 124,000 pounds per well. And MaxiStack 1 is designed for economy, big loads, and low operating costs. We call MaxiStack 3 the terminal manager's car because it's the first truly versatile double-stack car. Maxi 3 can take any size container up to 48 feet in any of its wells, 20-foot, 24-foot, 40, 45, or 48-foot containers, and 40 to 53-foot boxes on top. You can also carry twin 28-foot containers on the top level. This means that MaxiStack 3 can handle any mix of domestic and international boxes. It meets the varied needs of terminals that handle a high percentage of domestic containers. And at 117,000 pounds per well capacity, Maxi 3 achieves a highly engineered balance between car weight and extra strength for heavier domestic loads. At the same time, MaxiStack 3 saves substantial time and labor from an operational standpoint. Because the terminal manager doesn't have to mix and match loads, he saves switching costs when building trains. Maxi 3's built-in flexibility lets him use all the wells all the time.
I've got some last-minute
no more empties in the end wells. He can use the same car for international cargo on return hauls. And in an era of proliferating box sizes, he can handle unforeseen problems quickly and effectively. MaxiStack 1 is Gunderson's international container car. It carries 20-foot containers in each of its 40-foot wells. It's short, light, and has extra carrying capacity. MaxiStack 3 is a universal car designed to carry every sort of load for maximum flexibility and versatility. Gunderson's rigorous engineering efforts have resulted in a number of special features. Our cars have smooth exterior sides for aerodynamic efficiency, less weight, greater strength, and significant fuel savings. Strength is designed into car sides with computer-designed stiffening rings on the Maxi 1 and without vertical stiffeners on the Maxi 3. We design out fatigue problems to increase the life of the car, especially in the container support area. Our maximum overall height is the lowest in the industry, even loaded with 2 of the biggest boxes made. And we make every effort to reduce truck hunting to minimize wear and tear. Utilizing some of the same programs developed by NASA, Gunderson engineers take advantage of the best techniques available for finite element analysis. Before we cut the first piece of steel, we know how every inch of the car will react to loads.
Oh, okay. Well, then we're within the margin of safety. We're just fine.
And when we do start cutting, we do it right. The skill of our craftsmen in cutting, bending, and welding steel remains unsurpassed. Their fine workmanship means that your maxi-stack car will run longer and farther without repair. In fact, the long life of these cars has been affirmed by recent teardown inspections. Gunderson's dedication to quality in design, materials, and workmanship brings you the best stack cars ever made. Our commitment to customer service brings your cars to you on time. And if you ever need help with maintenance or service, Gunderson's field response teams provide expert after-delivery support to keep you running on schedule. Gunderson Greenbrier has earned its leadership position in intermodal equipment. And that's why our customers include some of the biggest names in transportation. We know the double-stack industry. That's why our cars work best, hardest, and longest. Talk to Greenbrier Intermodal to find out how our maxi-stack cars can serve your transport needs. And take a step ahead in intermodal railroad equipment.